Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in the taskbar and in setting, Bluetooth is not showing here in HP laptop. So how to fix? First, click to start, type device manager, open it. Then you can see this is Bluetooth. Extract this, select the wireless Bluetooth and right click to uninstall. Click to uninstall it. After that it will remove. Then click action and then click scan hardware changes. Then after it will come back again and select the right click to update and update automatically, and then click to close it, then close it. Okay, then click to start, type services.msc. You can type only services, right click to run as administrator and then press Bluetooth support service. First open it, select the automatic, and if it is already stopped, right now it is start, that's why it's highlighting stop. So stop it and then again start, and then click to apply and then OK. So after that you can see, select this service and then left hand side restart service. So click on it, then close it, then install Bluetooth driver. So guys, enter your model number and then type Bluetooth, then type driver download, and after that first link this official website, right click to update driver, sorry, click on it this website and then scroll down, select the operating system, then scroll down, extract the network driver and network, and this is a Bluetooth driver, and then click to download. After that it will start downloading, and then single click to open it, then next, then accept, next, next, and then finish it. So as your driver is successfully installed, and then restart and then please check it. And if you are unable to download the driver, if you are confused, so please comment me your laptop model number, then I will create another video and then I show you how to install and how to resolve this issue. Thank you guys.